Timeline Editor is a video editor built on the canvas that makes a fluid experience of generating, cutting, and polishing your assets all in one place. This video will walk you through everything you can do with it. In order to activate the Timeline Editor, drag out from an existing node and click on Timeline. Plug in video, audio, image, and text nodes. Click on the edit icon, and the editor will open up right on the canvas. Play and pause by hitting the spacebar. Split, duplicate, or delete clips. Control snapping to make the clips stick to each other. And hover scrub to make the playhead follow your cursor. Set them based on your preference. Turn on and off tracks or mute them individually. You can zoom in and out freely in the editor. Change the aspect ratio of the canvas by typing in numbers or rotate it from horizontal to vertical. Control the opacity, crop a clip, or change the playback speed. Apply a fade in or fade out to make a basic transition. Adjust the volume of any clip. You can jump to the actual node from the Timeline Editor by right-clicking on a clip or by double-clicking it. The clips on the timeline will show up in the order of how you connected them to the editor node. If you replace an asset from a node that is plugged in, it will apply downstream in the editor. If you plug in a text node and type in something, it will come in as a text layer you can keep editing as an overlay. The editor provides the fonts and design options. There are some utility buttons, such as looping, muting, zooming in and out of the timeline, and expanding the timeline editor horizontally. After you finish editing, you can exit the editor view and play the node as a video node on the canvas. Click the download button to see the export options. You can set the quality and select the download file format. You also have the options to export them in an XML format to other tools like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut Pro. Timeline Editor is built to flow with the stack you already use, instead of replacing it. Import your XML file into Premiere Pro and finish up your edit. Thank you for watching and enjoy the final output of what's made from the Timeline Editor.